how you guys doing today? I hope you guys are well. You guys are doing so fine and so well. I hope you guys are blessed. So today I'm gonna take you guys at the pig farm to show you guys how many pigs that we have and what we are doing on the pigs farm, and then how did I start it. So this pig farm, I started with one pig actually, about like maybe like 1 year ago. It's been a year, I guess. I think like a year or 9 months. So about one pig, and now we have about 35 pigs. And we got some piglets too at the same time, and so all together is like 35. And we just had like 10 piglets like 2 days ago. So I want to show you guys, and then I want to tell you guys how I started. Just with a little money. Actually with one pig. One pig. That's when we started with one. So about one for like around 1,500,000 Brun franc. It's about, right now, to exchange it right now is like around like 250 around there dollars. But that pig already gave me 20 piglets so far. So imagine how you can start with just $250 a farm. So yeah, so I want to show you guys where we are, how it is, and how many pigs we have, and how I did it. So yeah, let's get together and then keep enjoying the video, and then make sure you subscribe and share and comment, and then make sure you come to Burundi and visit Burundi at the same time, because Burundi is a beautiful country. So yeah, let me take you guys along. But yeah, it's crazy how you can just start with one pig. Now we have like 35 pigs, include the piglets in it too. So imagine what can be by next year, maybe 100. So yeah, don't be scared, just come here and visit, and then just come see Burundi too at the same time. Come see it and come invest on agriculture. So much things to do, and so much opportunities. So yeah, and other things. So this country is beautiful. It's a beautiful country. It's nice. The people are nice, and yeah. So let's go. I'm gonna show you guys a little road, a little bit, and then we go from there. All right, let's go. People over there working. There's some rice over there. Over there. And we have more rice over there too. Agriculture is the way to go. See how green this place looks like. See how beautiful this country is. All those fields over there, that area, it's all rice. It's all full of rice. And there's some sugar cane over here. There, it's all full of sugar canes. So
Sawa chef. Ego turashima. Namwe.
So the road to the pig farm. For these two farms are in different areas. Same area but different side of area. So the chicken farm is on the upper side, and then the pig farm is in the lower side. So the chicken farm is like it's like on a hill, and then the pig farm is just like on just bottom area that is not on a hill. So yeah, and bought this land for not that much, just a small land.
So
This is a small land that we bought. So I want to show you guys around it, and I'll show you the pigs. So yeah. Alright. Ni sawa? Murakomeye?
Yego, namwe.
Natwe turakomeye? Yego.
None mudufashije akazuba kagaye.
Akazuba kagaye? Hey. So sunny today, it's kind of hot. So this is the land that I bought. It's just right here, from like somewhere here. It's like 4 plots. So that's the house. And we got a long way to go. We gotta fix some things here and there. And when you start, you just start, and then you start changing things little by little every time. So it's like a house that is staying here. We have some what do we call that? It's like a stoke. So we have some soybeans in there and some maize. So yeah. So yeah, it's like 4 plots here that we have. So that's why I put the pigs here. And the chicken farm is like all the way on the hill, all the way up there. There's like a hill over there. The chicken farm is over there somewhere. Yeah, let me show you guys. Let me take you guys inside, and you guys will see how this is gonna be a short video. But I'll start with one pig. I'm gonna show you guys the pig that I start with, and then from there, you guys will see. All right. Nisa, what are coming? Murashim, there again.
I'm doing all the food.
None.
I'm doing.
Listen to this.
Shem begin. I'm not going to be a begin. Didn't to me and I'm bad. Yeah, you come on.
There again. Nisa, what are coming? Buke. Kunywa madawa. Wakunywa. Si very.
Agiyo arati.
Sawa.
Si very, I'm ushana ya menu kumi. Manu kumi mafutu zake. So I was just saying hi to people who works here, my brother, little brother. So I start with this one pig here. See this big here? So that pig here, this big pig here. So I bought this one for 1,500,000 bone fra. That's in Marundi though, bone fra. So it's not dollar. So that's about $250 right now. This one already give me 10 piglets. This is the second time, so 20 piglets so far. These are little piglets to this time. It's been like a couple of days, maybe 2 days, 3 days now. There are 10 of them. So yeah, so that's how I started. And this is local, you know. I didn't spend a lot of money to build this. This is a local thing I'm doing. I'm not trying to put a lot of money in it right now, but we are working on it. And then now we have, and then after that I bought this one here. think this one might give birth in like couple days. Next month. This one's gonna give birth next month. So yeah. And then we got these little ones here. We got that. The other one's there. And this one right here. This one was a little. This one was this big. Was like this one. It was like that one. But imagine now. That's how big it is. And then we have more right here too. More of the pigs, pigs, whatever. So yeah, this is about 30, 35 altogether. And then we have more here too. More here. So how beautiful these things are. And then we're gonna pick it. And then we have this one here. And then we have these right here. And these are the ones here. And we got these. They're just chilling here right now for now. But the plan is to make sure, the plan in the future is to make this to look better than it is right now. We're gonna have to build it better now in the future. I'm gonna have to build it better. So yeah. We got more over there too. They're just chilling and chilling and chilling. Yeah, that's the big area that we have right now. About 35, 34, and then we should be adding more pigs here soon. So, yeah. Start with a little money and grow it. Show you guys how it is. Ah, this pig is big. And the piglet, 10 of those are piglets. Piglets.
let me know how much you think this might be. If I go sell right now, how much do you think this piglets I'm gonna get this piglets? The good thing about here, you can't even smell anything. So I hope you guys saw the chicken, the pig farm. So I hope you guys saw it. So that's how small it is. But we started with one piglet, and I showed you guys the white one, the bigger one. From that one, we already have about 35 pigs around here. So imagine 3 years from now, 1 year from now, 2 years from now, how many pigs are we gonna have? This place is gonna be way too small, so we're gonna have to make it bigger. The plan is to try something, and after you finish trying it, and then now you can make it bigger. So now we're just trying, and about as we grow, as we learn, as we just keep doing it, we're gonna expand it way more. We're gonna be expanding more and more and more and more and more. We're gonna have to get a big land in the future. Once everything works out more, everything needs money. Once you grow, then you get a big land, and then you start going. But you're gonna start with what you have, and then from there you just add it and add, and I keep adding stuff on. But so far so good. That's how the pig farms look like. And then don't be scared to start anything. Do not be scared to try something new. Like me, I'm always trying stuff, man. Just try it. I'm not scared. I'm not afraid of, oh my god, I can't do it if I do this, and if I failed or whatever. Because I don't believe in failing. I believe in learning. I just keep learning, and I keep trying things out, and then keep improving myself little by little. It's like YouTube right now. I'm just trying. I'm just trying. I'm not even trying. I'm trying and try to improve every day, little by little, until when I get it right. So do something. Do it now. Don't wait for tomorrow. If you have an idea, just go ahead and do it. If you want to go do something, just wake up in the morning and go and do it. Who cares? Who cares if they don't agree with you on your idea? Who cares? I don't care if you agree with me on some ideas or you don't. As long as I'm not killing anybody and I'm not stealing from anybody, why not? Let me just do it. Just get up and do it. Just think about it, and then just pray about it and be like, you know what, God, I'm doing it because I'm not killing anybody. I'm not hurting anybody. I'm not trying to steal from anybody. So get up out there and just do it. Just try it right now before you get old, man, before you feel like you don't want to do anything. So it's better to do it now, way earlier. Do it when you're strong. Do it when you feel like you can't do it. Do it when you feel like you can't do it. I think that's the word I want to keep today. Do something when you feel like you don't want to do it, or do it when you feel like you can't do it. I think that's when you figure it out better. It's like right now, there's some things I'm doing right now. I'm like, I don't know if I can do this, but I'm just doing it. I know it's hard, but I'm just doing it. Just keep doing it when you feel like you can't do it. Because if you do things when you feel like it's time to do it, you're always gonna have problems in the future. It's better to do things when you feel like you can't do it at all. Because if you feel like you can't do it at all, it's gonna give you this purpose of keep fighting for the better. So try to do something now and then keep learning. Sawa? Urakomeye? Namahoro?
Namahoro. Nagiye kwereka ba bantu umurima.
Umurima wawe
Wa ntuzeye.
Umuceri? Ni hanga yo umurima w'umuceri.
Bamwe narimishiriza.
Ba King. Barakoresha umurima kwa ngahe? 650. 30-60. Ngomba ni yimbe umuceri w'i Tanzania. Ngomba ni
nta kibazo. Kandi wo habina.
Oyego?
Oya. Uri mu muceri w'abashinwa uriho kwiranda.
Ngomba nigure imbegu muri Tanzania.
Angora.
Eh,
oha
okay. Ngoma ni tasting and rabi. Eh? So that's the guy that works take care of this place here for now, farm. So he's a good guy. He makes sure, because if you come to this farm, you won't even smell anything about like pigs or anything. It's pretty clean, way too clean for a big place. But I really love the guy because he does a good job. So yeah, I just want to tell you today, hey man, just don't think about it too much. Just do it. Do it when you feel like you don't want to do it. That's what I'll tell you. Do it when you feel like you don't want to do it. So keep going and then keep watching my videos. I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. And then make sure you share, comment, and you subscribe on my channel and share this channel to other people, to your friends and your families out there. And then one thing I want to tell you, do it when you feel like you don't want to do it. Make sure, just think about it. Think about the things that you feel like you don't want to do with them. But you're just like, they're very important, but you feel like you want to do them. The one thing that you just don't want to wake up in the morning to go to work, but you're just like, you know what? I just don't want to go to work, but just wake up in the morning and just go do it. I don't want to be in Africa right now on the things that I'm going through right now. But guess what? I just wake up in the morning, you know what? I have to stay here. I have to fight. Because if you don't fight, you're going to fall. A guy who just don't fight for anything falls for everything that happens. But if you fight every time, you're always going to be strong. Because a fighter is a fighter. A fighter just stand there and just keep fighting no matter what's going on. They just keep fighting. Keep fighting. So, see you in the next video. And make sure and subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Bude. And this is Bude Unlimited YouTube channel. Thank you.